You guys know what day it is, right? Do you know what day it is? Can you tell? Where are we going? That's right. It's Disney Day. Hi guys, your girl's here at International. We're gonna go into the Disney Character Warehouse store and see what they have. Let's go. Look what I found, and they even have, for $7.99, they have the Haunted Mansion, and then they have the Frozen one. Ooh. And then here's more of these Strange World. I'm not sure what that is yet. Lots of doggy apparel still. So the pillows here, and now the blankets here for $25. And the ears are $4.99. Alright.
I might have many for
$9.99. We got the Small World. We have, what is this, Big Thunder?
I think so.
Yeah, Big Thunder. And then you got Tiki Room.
$4, we're taking it.
Big things.
And that's pretty much it. There's definitely Christmas stuff still available here. Halloween items are still here. Okay, they got a flubber here with no price, $4.99.
I've never understood these things.
Yeah, I don't understand them. I'm not getting into the collections. I mean, they've got so much coming out, but there is an orange bird here. I don't see no prices on them. $8.99.
Found this one too for Chris. For his pin collection.
These are $8.99.
I don't know if you're doing anything.
I grabbed this one for Boo just in case.
Oh, okay.
If I don't find anything else, I'll get it. Flower and Garden. A few more pins on this side. More Star Wars, some Christmas, some not so Christmas. Some pretty dresses. Alright, lounge fly bags and hats. Price change, let's see. $14.99, no.
I'll be right back, Rita.
You know, these went down to $1.99. No, 99 cents now. Oh, a new bucket hat. Oh, it's the map. Okay. It's reversible. $14.99. Oh, that's a relic. Rock and roller coaster bag up there. $19.99. This bag's new too. $19.99.
Sorry, I missed
Alright,
you
these
up.
bags are really like short. Not bags, jackets. They're very short. Plenty of jackets to pick from. Oh, this bag's cute. Or bag. Why do I keep saying a bag? This jacket is cute. But 50 bucks. Not cute enough. A lot of the same. Nothing new. So a lot of the same stuff. Just no price changing here. And it is crazy busy in here too. International did not have a lot of new items and very crowded. I know it is spring break time here. So we're gonna go over to Vineland. Why not? Take you both places. So let's go. Alright guys, so now we're over at Vineland and we're gonna go into the Disney Character Warehouse store. Let's go. Oh, the train set's back for $79.99. Alright, the Snow White bag is new. $80 for the wallet. And $124 for the bag. Alright, these slipper socks are like fun. Look at that. You got Mickey on one side, Minnie on the other. You got Chip, and you got Dale on the other. Their Halloween is starting to dwindle down to just 2 racks now, and now they have a bunch of Christmas. Lots and lots of Christmas. Oh, this is new. It's a cake pan. 20 bucks for it. That's still too much for it. It's originally 30. So that tells you right there that's not a good deal. That's why they have so many sitting here. Buzz Lightyear bag's new. And they have the Skyliner toys here. Oh, that up there must be Buzz Lightyear. Buzz Lightyear. That's what it looks like.
Yeah. It lights up.
Does it light up?
It does light up, but I don't know how. I've seen it light.
Alright, same toys as last time. Yeah, they're starting to get less and less of the Halloween items now.
I like this. Brother for kids.
We'll trade brother for kid. Oh, that is cute. Alright. Oh, there's more toy. Or the toys are still here from last week too. Nothing new. Alright, little girls section. Nothing new. I wish these would go down. They're sort of cute, but that's still too much. Food and wine hat, $4.99. Oh, here. This is new. Star Wars shirt. $19.99. That's just too much. Star Wars pants, new ones, and on the leg they have Yoda and Chewbacca. They go for $24.99. Okay, they've had some toys from Star Wars. And magic band there, and must be from Seeing Red, I guess. More keychains from Wakanda. Nothing new. Okay. Oh, the headbands are cute. patches. Oh, I have these here too. $2.99. Okay, these are $3.99. Those ears went down to $7.99. These are new carousel bags. They did not have these next or at the other location. Alright, so these bags, nothing really spectacular on the inside, but they are lounge fly for $40. Aladdin bag, not lounge fly, but Disney, oh, Danielle Nicole bag for $49. $12.99. Another new bag, $21. And then look what I found for $12.99. Look who's on it. It's a flower on a flower vase.
Well, I don't know where my head was. I forgot to do a closing. Oh, well. You win some, you lose some. It was very crowded, and I just was overwhelmed with people, I think. So it made me forget. Plus, I was doing the driving, so normally I would just pull out the camera and record in the car while Donna's driving. And I was the one driving. I should have had Donna doing the closing. There we go. We'll put Donna to work. But it was fairly busy. Some good merchandise. I did get the flower pot right there. I did get it. I had to. It has flower on it. Why? I had to. So now what I need to do is get some flowers to put in there. But I'm going to find some artificial flowers that look like the flowers, like I did with Obi's eye there. That flower, the flower that you would see. Well, sort of like the flowers that's on the back, on the pillow, you know. So I'm going to see if I can find flowers like that to put in there. I think it would make a nice little touch. But I hope you guys enjoyed. We went to both locations. iDrive is just so hectic and busy that it's hard to film anything. And so you get a 12-minute video. So, sorry. Probably, I don't know if I'll go next week or not. Because, I mean, it is the middle of spring break now. So, maybe I'll give it a try. Go at a different time. Maybe later in the day or something. And see what happens. So, as always, guys, thank you very much for being here. And I love you all. Bye.